Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Be present with nature. I am so happy to be here filming for you guys. As you can see, I have some new equipment, so the audio will be much better from here forward. I hope it's not too distracting, this little fuzzball in the video. On this channel, we're gonna be talking about spiritual awakening, nature, and so much more. So I'm so happy that I have some good audio for you guys. Nature gets way more beautiful when you practice mindfulness. Let's talk about it. And I have 3 reasons why that is. I have my notepad here, so I'm gonna be looking down at this notepad. And the drink that I'm drinking today, this time it's not tea. This time I have a cool strawberry lychee drink. If you like lychee, let me know in the comments below. It's so refreshing. I'm just gonna ground myself and take one deep breath, and you guys do it with me. Let's go. A breath just helps keep me grounded and ready for what I'm gonna be talking about. But yeah, guys, nature gets more beautiful the more you practice mindfulness. I guarantee it. If you commit to your mindfulness practice and being in the present moment, the more and more you're gonna see beauty in nature. It is an absolute fact. Nature will just get more and more beautiful. And I'm talking the most mundane things start to give you peace, and you will start to look around in awe of the world. And guys, I am going to show you. We are going to go for a walk. After I explain to you why this happens, we're just gonna walk around in peace and look at beautiful things in nature. And they are the most mundane things, but they will start to give you so much peace in your life. You have to be committed to your mindfulness practice. You have to keep bringing yourself back to the present moment as much as you can in your daily life, and you will start to see beauty in nature and this beautiful world. I cannot emphasize it more than that. Let's talk about why this happens. Number 1, you start to just simply notice more things around you in the present moment that you didn't notice before, because we are less in our mental chatter and we are living more in the moment. So we start to notice more little details when our brains are in complete autopilot. There is no room to look around and notice little things. As we are walking and our thoughts are on autopilot, we're just thinking, oh my God, I have to do this today. Oh my God, that thing I did yesterday was so embarrassing. Oh my God, I have so much to do this evening. Oh my God, they probably thought I was so weird. We think things like this as we are walking, and there's absolutely no room for looking around, noticing little things, pretty bright colors, small little details, the visual depth of nature. So that is why when you start being mindful, nature just gets more captivating and interesting. And I'm not talking driving hours away from the city to go into nature. I mean, as you're walking to work, you're like, whoa, the sky looks kind of cool today. Or you're like, oh wow, look at the way those dandelions break through the concrete and they're so brightly colored. Or whoa, the grass just looks so green today. Whoa, so many dandelions everywhere. I'm talking little things like that. Number two, and this sounds kind of spiritual, but I am going to explain it. You start to align energetically with nature when you practice being present. Nature, the natural world, trees, the sky, grass. It is operating in, as Eckhart Tolle would say, the stillness and timeless present moment. Nature lives completely in the now. The more you practice being present, you start to meet nature at the frequency that it is at, which is peace, stillness, presence. It's almost like you are vibing with nature. You start to feel the cool vibes that nature operates on. The more you practice being present, the more you are in the same vibration as nature is. It's almost like you are communicating with nature without even talking to it. It is almost like you're starting to share a language with nature, the language of peace. Nature just lives in one moment now. You are flowing with the energy of nature. That is the best way that I can put it. And the more you practice mindfulness, the more you will know exactly what I mean. And please, if you have been practicing mindfulness, please let me know in the comments if this is something you notice too, because there is no way I am alone in this. The things that I never noticed before that I notice now is just absolutely insane. And the more you practice mindfulness, the more you flow with nature. And number three, the reason nature gets more beautiful when you practice being present is because you are starting to see things with fresh eyes, without the filter of your mind. The part of our brain that keeps perception rigid and predictable starts to turn off. So when we are completely in our mind, we look at things and we label them based on the past. Oh, that's just a tree. Oh, just grass. Oh, those are dandelions, just weeds. But the more you practice being in the present moment, the more that filter that labels everything in your life starts to subside. And it's like you're seeing things for the first time every time you look at it. For example, when you practice mindfulness, when you look at a tree, you see it for what it is in the present moment, not with the label in your mind, which keeps it totally predictable and boring. Oh, just a boring tree, just my boring life. No, when you practice mindfulness, there are less labels for things. It is like you become a kid again, or beyond that. It is like you just, for example, landed on Earth for the first time and you are just in awe. So the filter of your mind starts to turn off and you are just looking at things. And the act of just looking at things, noticing things, gives you peace. And the fact that nature is already in that energy of peace makes it so much easier for your mind chatter to turn off. And that is why it is a gateway into spiritual awakening. Okay, guys, so if that does not encourage you to keep doing your mindfulness practice, I don't know what will. Because, guys, I promise you this will happen when you keep on practicing mindfulness and don't give up. Bring yourself to the present moment as much as possible. And if you keep doing this, I promise you will be in awe of nature. And if you are already starting to wake up spiritually and you are seeing beauty in the most mundane things that you never noticed beauty before, this is the community for you. I want to build a community of people who are spiritually awake or starting to wake up, because I cannot be the only one going through this. And Eckhart Tolle said it in his book, The Power of Now. I wrote a note here. He says, nature is a powerful gateway to spiritual awakening. And it is absolutely true. That is why this channel is called Be Present with Nature. Now, let's have some of our drink, y'all. I love this cup. I got it at the dollar store, and isn't it so cute? And it's dishwasher friendly and everything. Okay, are you guys ready to go for a walk? And I am praying that this audio worked for this video. If it didn't, I will be so sad. Now, guys, we are gonna go for a walk, and I'm gonna show you cool things in nature that bring me peace. All right, let's go, guys. Okay, guys, we are going for a walk in nature, and we are just gonna be looking around in awe of this beautiful world. And it's so cool that I have this fuzzy little microphone that I can carry around. I'm just wearing my favorite leopard print shorts that I got in the Philippines for only $1. Can you believe that? But yes, guys, let's go on our beautiful walk. Look at these fresh berries. Let's try one, y'all. Wow, that berry was so good. I am walking mindfully, you guys. Each step I walk, I am being present. Look at these flowers. And guys, as you can see, I didn't drive 3 hours away to be in nature. This is literally on my street. It is the art of noticing. Look at these flowers and how orange they are. just growing among some gravel. And there's more. I see more in the distance. Let's go. The things you notice when you slow down and walk mindfully in the present moment. Look at these orange flowers. Look at these yellow leaves against the sun. It's like they are glowing. Am I right, guys? All right, let's keep going, guys. There's a cute little grasshopper. Look at it. Oh my God, just jumped away. Let's try and get closer. Do you see it, guys? That little, I don't know if it's a grasshopper, but it's cute. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed going for a walk with me. I encourage you to go for a walk too today. Just walk around your neighborhood and look at the nature in your daily life. And this is your invitation, guys, to practice mindfulness and fall in love with your life. I really encourage you guys to do this, and do not give up on your mindfulness practice. Okay, peace, guys.